My name is David Addison Small. I'm a Boston artist. I teach for the Boston Public Schools, and I also teach Renaissance painting techniques at Mass College of Art. I teach both the Flemish and the Italian Renaissance technique. Goes for 16 classes. It's called the Misch technique. Misch means mixed. We're going to be working with both egg tempera and oil paint. So that's the first part. The egg is the variable. It could be a giant egg, it could be a little egg, but it's the variable. We use Diamond varnish, linseed oil, and mineral spirits when we use our oil paint. Now this is not the paint. This is the medium for the paint, for the egg tempera. We'll be using white egg tempera to create highlights and to establish form. We'll be painting with the white into a wet oil paint. First, transparent earth red for the Flemish technique, and then for the Italian technique, earth green, terra verde. So this was all green. The whole thing was green, and you have to imagine this, but I'm sure you can. This was all earth green. When this was still green, I took cadmium red, I patted it down. The tempera is amazing. Immediately you can see the tempera coming through, and I haven't gone back in with the tempera again. But while that red was still wet, I then went back in with tempera. Not everywhere I did before, just the highest levels, and I'm playing with what's underneath. So all of a sudden I have great form. Anyone can do this technique. Everyone is capable of doing it, from those who've painted incredible murals and caustic paintings and watercolors to those who've only worked in little watercolors when they were in 5th grade. Everyone will benefit from it. The wonderful thing about this technique is control. Before I went over and learned this technique, I'd say 1 out of 5 paintings would cross the finish line, and then the others wouldn't. Now, whatever painting I start, I know I'm going to finish, and I know it's going to be beautiful because the technique is foolproof.